Extreme oily skin deep cleaning blackhead removal pore detox transformation. Oily skin. It looks shiny, feels heavy, and clogs your pores faster than you think. No matter how many times you wash your face, the oil comes back, and with it, blackheads. In today's treatment, we are performing an extreme oily skin deep cleaning, and the amount of buildup is intense. Why oily skin gets clogged faster? Oily skin produces excess sebum. This oil spreads across the skin and enters the pores. When it mixes with dirt, dead skin cells, pollution, it creates thick buildup. This leads to clogged pores, blackheads, rough texture. The problem with excess oil: too much oil doesn't just sit on the surface, it goes inside the pores. Over time, it hardens and blocks the pore opening. This makes the skin look greasy, uneven, congested. Step 1. Surface oil removal. We begin by removing surface oil. Gentle cleansing helps clear the top layer without irritating the skin. Step 2. Steam for deep softening. Steam is applied to soften the oil buildup inside the pores. This makes extraction easier and more effective. Step 3. Blackhead extraction begins. Now the extraction starts. Oily pores release buildup more easily, but there is more of it. Each pore contains thick oil plugs. As pressure is applied, the buildup starts to come out. Step 4. Heavy oil extraction, main satisfaction. Now we move to the most congested areas. This is where the oil buildup is the heaviest. Multiple pores are cleared continuously. This creates a highly satisfying transformation. Step 5. Full pore detox. Instead of removing only visible clogs, we clean the entire area. This ensures less remaining oil, smoother skin, better long-term results. Step 6. Skin balancing. After deep cleaning, the skin needs balance. Hydration is applied to prevent excess oil production again. Final transformation: before, oily, clogged, heavy texture; after, clean, balanced, smooth skin. The difference is not just visible, it feels lighter. Final message: oil is not the enemy, but excess oil, without proper cleaning, becomes a problem. Control it, and your skin transforms. If you enjoyed this extreme oily skin deep cleaning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.